that Pacific elevator.
Even though it is 106, the cables have been replaced. So you
I would hope
have,
so.
you have to actually hold this lever
Dead man's control.
to get up to the next floor. And when you stop on the next level,
You have to level it yourself.
actually it's not gonna level off.
Cool.
You know, but my house buttons are good at it because they've been using they use this. So sometimes you have to watch your step. Yeah, there's not too many elevators like this left.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
Especially without an inner
I'm
door.
trying to remember. There's another one it's at the wharf. I can't remember the name of that other hotel, but it's
Wow.
still smooth.
Yeah.
It runs well. Oh, that's pretty neat. No call station.
There's no buttons on the outside, so
Yeah.
you cannot close the door.
Okay.
If you close the door,
okay,
then
you
we're
won't be able.
screwed. No one's gonna be able to. So we have to call the elevator company to recall it back downstairs.
How many times has that happened?
Once in a blue moon.
Yeah.
Like this.
Wow,
These
these
are the
are.
other floors have been replaced. That's 106 years old.
Looks like they've been firewalled though.
So this is it.
Oh wow, the machine room.
Don't touch anything.
Oh yeah,
High voltage.
very high. Wow, look at that. Bottom drive, winding drum. Check this out. Relay controlled and everything. OTIS magnet control. Oh my. Is there any way you can run it up and down?
No.
So I can see? Oh, alright.
Too dangerous? Yeah.
Yeah, it's because they spark.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Hollister Whitney. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this.